About midway between Tokyo's Akihabara and Okachimachi stations, and in the welcome shade of the railway arches that run between the two, I found an arcade of artisan cafes, shops and craft studios, and passing by this place on the street, my eye was caught by these cute and curious looking dolls at the Happy Daruma store. I was intrigued, so I introduced myself to the owner, and we've ended up making this video together. Daruma are unusual for Westerners, but they're a familiar tradition in Japanese culture. They're taken from the origin myths around Zen Buddhism. Daruma is a reference to Bodhidharma, the monk who brought Buddhism to the East and influenced Japanese culture through Zen. Over time, they've become a playful embodiment of the themes of that practice: peace, equanimity, goal setting, and perseverance. So they're traditionally given as gifts at the beginning of the new year and to people starting new endeavours or facing a particular challenge, so students or people starting a new job. But they make terrific souvenir dolls in their own right. You can paint them in bright colours and decorate them with kanji. You can buy a Daruma that's already decorated, or one that's completely unfinished, so you can work on it at home. Or you can decorate the Daruma in the store. They have tables set aside, pens and paints and all sorts of craft supplies, and you can have a crafting session right there with your friends and family. A traditional feature of Daruma is that they're often presented with featureless eyes. This is so you can paint a single eye while setting your goal. Then you could keep the Daruma in sight, reminding you of your goal and encouraging your perseverance. And when the goal is finally realised, you'd paint the other eye, celebrating your success. And you can keep the Daruma on display, reminding you that your hard work has paid off. These days it's equally popular just to decorate them however you wish, as a gift or for yourself. A popular approach is to decorate them with a suitably themed kanji character, and you can do that yourself, or if you're not confident of your skills, the shop staff would make a nice job of it for you. The craft opportunities generally are pretty much unlimited, but don't worry about the paint and glue of your craft work being dry. The staff will make sure the Daruma is ready to go and provide some suitable gift wrapping for you. Happy Daruma are open every day except Wednesdays, including public holidays, from 10:30 to 6:30 p.m, and the staff will make you very welcome. I was fascinated to learn about Daruma and found the store a real delight. You'll find plenty of information about the shop in the video description. I hope you found this exploration of the Daruma tradition and Happy Daruma store interesting, and if you did, please join me again. Bye bye.